Hey guys, it's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. What is this? So for today's, I don't know what that was. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. Super simple, super easy, literally takes like 5 minutes. Anybody can do this, and it's just so you can look a little bit nice and refreshed and, you know, put together, even though it took you like 5 minutes. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, enjoy. Okay, so to begin this super simple back to school makeup look, you start with some coffee. Listen, I am a coffee addict, and I think that I have mastered like the perfect coffee recipe, and I would love to show that to you guys, like a cooking or like a latte with Andrea or something like that. So let me know, because your girl loves coffee in any way, shape, or form. So I would love to do that. Anyway, back to the makeup. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of SPF. Wear your SPF, kids. It's life-changing. This one's not my favorite because it leaves that like grayish tint on my face. So if my face looks a little weird after this, I'm sorry. But it just, you know, protects you from the sun, and that's always important because sun rays, we don't love them. And more coffee. Okay, so actually after I'm gonna do sunscreen, I'm also gonna go in with this. Don't know if you can see that because lights are bright and I'm still getting accustomed to this. This is the Caudalie Grape water. It's basically grape water in a can, but it's a moisturizer and it's great. So we're just gonna hydrate our face before putting on any products, since I'm not priming because that's too much work. We're just gonna moisturize our face, make sure it sets in. We're ready for the next step. Concealer. So I'm trying out this new concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer from their Photofocus collection. I picked it up at Ulta the other day. This is in the shade light medium beige. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit on, like literally just 1, 2, 3 little dots, 2, 3, just to conceal these under eye bags, to show that you actually have gotten some sleep when you haven't, because it's high school or college, you know, whatever. I do online school, so I don't really have to wake up early anymore. I just wake up early because I choose to, you know, boss mode. Yeah, just blend out your concealer. Wow, look at that. You instantly look hydrated and refreshed. Next up, powder. So this is the new powder that came in my BoxyCharm this month. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. So I'm just gonna let that like kind of bake while I try and conceal any other spots that I have. Believe it or not, we're actually almost done. So we have just a couple more steps left. I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows. I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I bought the mini size because we're trying it out. So I'm actually gonna do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Eyebrows are on. Honestly, that was definitely the longest part of this routine. So next up, we're almost done. We're right there at the home stretch. We're gonna add a little bit of this Appeal gel eyeliner. This is brown. You know why? Because it'll make you look super put together when you probably spent 5 minutes on this makeup look. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit like this, right? Just put it on top of your eye, and even like very lightly wing it out. It doesn't even have to be perfect, because we're gonna take a little smudging brush and just smudge it out like that. Yes, you can even gonna add it to the lower line while you're at it, just for a little bit more something something. Okay, now curl your lashes and add some mascara. For today, I'm gonna be using Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Last two products, some highlighter because you need to shine, and some lipstick, and we're done. So this is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Lunch Money. Super simple, super easy. You take your finger and you just put it on the tops of your cheeks, very lightly. Blend it out. It doesn't even have to be a lot, like just a little bit. Tip of your nose, Cupid's bow. Last but not least, we have this lip balm. This is Han Skincare Cosmetics all natural lip gloss with antioxidants and vitamins, because we need to take care of our lips, you know. That's a lot. Yes, okay. I like this color because it's very natural, it's very everyday, but it also has like those nourishing properties, so that's always great. Okay, you guys, so that completes today's video, this back to school makeup. Super simple, super easy. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. So if you didn't see my last video, I will be uploading 3 times a week for the rest of this month to catch up on what I missed, you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.